In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off BitLocker drive encryption on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, removing BitLocker encryption is completely decrypts your storage partition, allowing for unrestricted file access and smoother system modifications. Now, if your laptop is running sluggishly or you're prepping for a major hardware update, you can safely turn off BitLocker in under 60 seconds. So what you want to do is turn off encryption via the control panel. It's the cleanest graphical route to decrypt your drive directly through the Windows shell layout. So all you want to do is press your Windows key and then type in control panel and then go ahead and hit enter. In the top right corner of the control panel window, change the view to large icons like I have it right now, and locate and click on BitLocker drive encryption, which is going to be this one right here. Now, all you want to do is find your primary operating system partition, which is usually going to be C, and then all you want to do is base click it, and then it's going to say turn off BitLocker to authorize the change. And your Dell laptop will silently decrypt your device in the background, and you can keep using your laptop normally while the data blocks unfold.